There's a lot of things you need to worry about when you're driving. But perhaps one of the things you may not realize is the number of drivers you pass that may not have any insurance. It's estimated that nearly 14% of drivers in Illinois have no insurance. Keep in mind that that doesn't account for the people that are underinsured and only carry state minimum liability limits. These drivers possess a large risk to you and other vehicles on the road. So how can you mitigate the risk of uninsured and underinsured drivers while you're on the road? There's a few different coverages on your auto policy that can protect you from the uninsured and underinsured drivers. The first coverage is your uninsured motorist coverage. That's going to protect you from drivers that have no insurance. If you're injured from one of these drivers, your auto policy will respond to your injuries. The other coverage is underinsured motorist. This is going to provide coverage to somebody that perhaps carries state minimum liability limits, and your bodily injury may exceed those limits. Your auto policy may respond to help cover your injuries if you're hit by one of these drivers. Another coverage that you may want to consider is uninsured motorist property damage. If you're hit by a driver who has no insurance, your auto policy can cover the damage to your vehicle. There are certain stipulations with this coverage though, and you need to make sure that you get the name, license number, and all other pertinent information of that driver so that you can turn it into your insurance company. So what are some steps that you can take to make sure you are properly insured? It starts with making sure you have the proper liability limits. If you have a loan on your vehicle, you definitely want to make sure you have comp and collision to satisfy your lien holder. You also may want to carry comp and collision if the vehicle is worth a significant value to you. You also want to make sure that you have the right medical payments coverage as well. I always recommend talking to an independent agency such as Clark Carroll Insurance Agency to learn what you can and how you can save money on your auto insurance. Give us a call today at 815-244-1570.